mga Kabayan Techers, this is your The Kabayan Tech, and today it's another troubleshooting Thursday, and we are going to do an iPhone setup as new with your basic information. So this phone is a fully restored phone. Just make sure before you do that restore process, make sure you do a backup either through your iTunes or iCloud. I do have some links below for you to see some of my videos. When we say setup as new with basic information, meaning the scenario here is you have restored your phone to factory. It's because you're either having an issue with your previous setup of your phone, like some settings are not working out fine, and you want to start afresh. I have a few customers where they're having issues with cellular. They cannot hear somebody, or it's too muffled, and there's no issue with the hardware itself. So it could be a software. And when it comes to software, it's like a needle in a haystack. It's really hard to pinpoint which one causes it. We're going to set up the phone. So I'm going to click on English, Canada, and then set up manually. Then again, we're going to connect to our Wi-Fi. Let me just put in the password for this one. Okay, so once I connected to the Wi-Fi, if your Wi-Fi has a password, you have to put it in. Just tap on next. Then on this part, it's going to activate your phone. If you didn't sign out with your Find My iPhone, after this screen, it's going to ask you again. Restoring your phone doesn't mean that it's going to wipe that Apple ID and password. It's still going to ask the Apple ID and password of the original owner. If you see the data privacy, it means that the phone was successfully signed out with their Apple ID. So let's click on continue, and I'm going to set up the Touch ID later. If this one is an iPhone 10 and above, it's going to ask you to set up your Face ID, and I'm not going to put any passcode for now. And then this is the one that we're going to do, which is the data transfer apps and data. Don't transfer apps and data. It means that it's not going to not transfer your personal data. The only thing that it won't transfer would be your settings, passwords, and also the apps. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one. It's going to ask for that Apple ID and also the password. Let me put it in. Okay, so once you put in the Apple ID and password, just tap on next. Code, it's going to send a verification code to the phone that is associated with it. If, for example, the SIM card is already in here, all you have to do is press didn't get the code, select the number that you have, and it's going to text that verification number to this phone directly. But if you have the phone or the SIM card into another phone and that phone is still running, just send a new code. So it will show up like this on the other phone, and all you have to do is just put in the numbers. You don't need to write this number down because this is a random generated number. Click on agree. Okay, and once that one is done, click on continue, enable location services, and then continue, not now, and then screen timer for the kids, so set up later, and then don't share. True tone and appearance, I'm just going to have it on default for everything. Zoom, and welcome to your new iPhone. Go onto your app store, and then from your app store, kindly tap your icon here, and then it will show you purchase, and then these are all the apps that you have downloaded before. And that's it, mga Kabayan Techers. Kindly follow us with our channel, The Kabayan Tech, by clicking on the subscribe button. Give us a like and share our channel to others. If you have any suggestions, comments, write them down below. Again, thank you very much and have a good day.